Our skin is our best accessory, and care is required to maintain its health and beauty. The Skin Therapy program at TradeTech offers technical instruction and hands-on training for those interested in this exciting and essential beauty career. The program offers expert training in various skincare techniques, including manual, electrical, and chemical facials, temporary hair removal, makeup application and artistry, and much more. While observing all safety and sanitation regulations, students are able to apply skincare theory and clinical practice techniques in our labs, which mimic spa facilities, so they can learn to effectively interact with and service guests in real-world settings. Upon completion of the Skin Therapy program, our students are well prepared to pass the state licensing exam and are ready for entry-level positions, such as skin therapists, spa managers, educators, makeup artists, holistic skincare professionals, business owners, or product and equipment sales representatives or managers. If you're ready to start your career in this health and beauty industry, the Skin Therapy program at TradeTech can help you get there.